Vande Mataram, class 10th, from the Formalin. Yesterday we knew that how life is far precious than we imagine. जीवनटा केते मूल्यवान, किंतु हमें से जीवन को केयरलेसली जो रेकलेस ड्राइविंग, डिस्ट्रैक्टेड ड्राइविंग, ड्रंकेन ड्राइविंग कर जीवनटा को आम किपर गोटे तुच्छ मूल्यहीन रूप आम यूज करुचे लाइफटा को ताऊपर गोटे फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर नहीं भिकी Dr. Rita S. Mani has taken a fictional character named Vicky. There, even though it was not an accident, he said that he focused that it was an accident, and due to his careless driving, he fell on accident. There, the brain was cut short. Her head was cut short and kept in the formalin jar. And why it was kept in the formalin jar? Only to show the students to accumulate or to gain much knowledge about the parts and organs, brain organs and its functions. So in the first stanza, we have noticed how was Vicky's brilliant brain? How did he stay there with disdain, hatred? Why people came there to gain knowledge? In the second stanza, we knew that how was the brain kept as a specimen, sample? Further, he reminded no stroke tumor box were there, but life was ended in the jar. In the third stanza, we have known that Vicky was a young boy, smart boy, full of energy was with him. His main subjects were the area of knowledge were computer science, maths, and his philosophy, ethics of life is no pain, no gain. Without any pain, we cannot gain. So let us come to the stanza 4. Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, and he adored his grandma. Wrinkles and insane can. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine, why his heart went thud, I could explain. Only I could explain. Okay? Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, and he adored his grandma's wrinkle and cane. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine, why his heart went thud, only I could explain. Here, insane means extreme or immense. अत्यंत जोड़ा कह Okay, Vicky's love for his parents. Vicky ता parents मानु किपरि भल पाउथला. Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane, extremely higher. Immensely higher. Vicky loved his parents very much. He adored. Adored means strong love. And he adored his grandma. Wrinkles. Wrinkles means lines of the loose skin. Age hobar pore facial look रे जो folded skins गुड़ी को देखा जिबो. चर्मर जो फाट गुड़िक देखा फोल्डेड ही देखा दे आर कॉल्ड wrinkles. And he adored means strong love. Who adored? Vicky adored. Vicky was telling his story before the accident. Okay, Vicky adored his grandma's wrinkles and cane. Cane means walking stick. Cane means हाथ चला बाड़ी जोड़ा सहारा दिखे हम चलेबा. Cane means walking stick. दिरा कथा कहला है. Vicky's love for his parents was highly, extremely true. Extremely true, immensely true. Second one, and he adored his grandma. So wrinkles and cane. Wrinkles means lines of the loose skin. Lines of the loose skin. Wrinkles and cane. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine. In college, during the time of college during the college time, Vicky was in love. Se modhe pholo paଉଥିଲା. He had a girlfriend. Her name was Lorraine. Lorraine was Vicky's girlfriend. In college, when he stole a glance at Lorraine, in the time of college, in college time, he had a girlfriend. Her name was Lorraine. And he stole a glance. Here, stole a glance means secretly looking. Luchi luchi dekhiba. Okay? While Vicky was in love, he was looking secretly to his lover. Who was his lover? Lorraine. So why his heart went thought, only I could explain. Vicky said that why his heart went thought means किछि गोटे विराट शब्द जदि ऊपर किछि बड़ जिनिस पड़िबा जो साउंड शब्द सृष्टि हबो ता हृदय जेंति भांगी गला से टाइप रो शब्द को हम थॉट बोली कहबा. वन टाइप ऑफ पैनिक साउंड जो साउंड के हमें माने कर्नर स्पर्शी नथिबो माने इनऑडिबल माने हमें सुनिबा को भलो लागु नथो पैनिक लागुथबो से प्रकार साउंड का हमें कहबा. व्हाई हिज हार्ट वेंट थॉट ओनली आई कुड एक्सप्लेन. ओनली द ब्रेन कुड. आई मीन्स हियर नॉट विक्की. आई मीन्स विक्कीज ब्रेन. द ब्रेन कुड एक्सप्लेन. ओके. हियर इंसेंट मीन्स एक्सट्रीम और इमेंस. ओके. adore, strong love. Wrinkles, line of loose skins. Cane, walking stick. Stole, a glance, secret looking. When thought became a panic in sound. So इस स्टैंजा में कौन बुझिले देखो फर्स्ट लाइन को फर्स्ट स्टैंजा कहउछि Vicky loved his parents immensely, very much. Second, he adored his pouchy grandmothers with walking. Pouchy means gallery जो फोल्डेड स्किन्स गुड़िक थिबो ताको विथ ए वॉकिंग स्टिक. थर्ड कथा कहछि इन द कॉलेज टाइम ही हैड ए गर्लफ्रेंड. हर नेम वाज लॉरेन. फोर्थ पॉइंट, ही हैड ए क्विक एंड क्वाइट लुक एट हर. क्विक एंड क्वाइट सीक्रेट लुक बिकॉज ही लव्स द लवर लॉरेन too much. He said that only he could explain about his heart's panic or fear sound. Only the brain could explain the panic and fearful sound. Why his heart broken? As his heart went thought. Okay. Next stanza 5. Stanza 5. On a wet monsoon day for a task mundane, Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. For once from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. line बुझो चेष्टा करो. On a wet monsoon day, rainy day. Monsoon day means rainy day. On a wet monsoon day, for a task mundane. Mundane means हमें कहला कहूचे लाइफ हैज नो मंडेन डिजायर्स. मंडेन मीन्स ऑर्डिनरी डल. ओके. मंडेन मीन्स योर टास्क मीन्स वर्क. मंडेन मीन्स ऑर्डिनरी. कौन कहूँ ऑन ए वेट मॉनसून डे ऑन ए रेनी डे ओनली फॉर ए टास्क मंडेन. सिंपल किसी गोटे हेवी टास्क नथिले किसी इंपोर्टेंट काम मध्य नथिले. देयर वाज नो इंपोर्टेंट वर्क. मंडेन वर्क ओडी साधारण कामटे मॉडर्न वर्क. Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. In the next lane, lane means sahid. In the next lane, street. In the next lane, a friend of his was staying, and Vicky rode his bike to his friend's house in the next lane. For once from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. सबुदिन से हेलमेट पिंधि ही जाउथबार. For once, for a single time, that was the single time Vicky was refrain. Refrain माने वंचित होगा. आमे जो पोएम रे जतल गीत गाउचे सेतल रिफ्रेन कहले घोषा को बुझे, किंतु एठे रिफ्रेन मीन्स वंचित होगा को बुझे. For once, from wearing his helmet, सबुदिन से हेलमेट पिंधि बाइक ड्राइविंग करूथल. But in that case, while going to the next lane to meet his friend, he forgot to wear his helmet. He had refrained. Refrain means stopped taking with. Stopped taking with. Okay. Stopped taking with. Taking with means number. कौन नंबर वंचित है से? He was refrained to take the helmet while going to his friend's house, who is residing or living in the next lane. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. He suffered, he faced. Vicky faced. Se कहउछन्ति तांग story before he come to the formal injury, how he met with the accident. It was severe accident. It was gory. Gory means bloody. रक्ताक्त जोड़े को आजिबो. Gory means bloody and inhuman, unkind. हमें बुझिबा छे. On a rainy day, Vicky rode his bike to his friend living in the next lane. A friend of his was living in the next lane. To attend on an ordinary task, mundane task, Vicky rode his bike and went near his friend. This was the first time in his life Vicky went without a helmet. This was the first time in his life Vicky went without helmet. Oh God! On the way he faced a bloody and dreadful, barbaric accident. भयंकर एक्सीडेंट से सम्मुखीन होते. किसी ना सबुदिन से हेलमेट नौले गोटे लिटिल बिट ऑफ केयरलेसनेस माने जीवन में साधारण छोट छोट भूल आम केते बड़ बड़ माने डिस्ट्रक्शंस गुड़िक आनी पार्छ आम जानूचे. लिटिल बिट ऑफ फॉल्स ब्रिंग्स लार्ज काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शंस. लाइफ टाको केते सुंदर थे. लाइफ हैज ए मीनिंग. जीवन गोटे अर्थ अच्छे, किंतु से अर्थटा को इमती केयरलेसनेस करके जदि आम जीवन बंचवा से कथा ही फोर्थ स्टांजर आमको ये आमको कह जाइतिला. फोर्थ स्टांजर जे फोर्थ स्टांजर से कहते ओनली आई कुड एक्सप्लेन कौन से. इट मीन्स मु किपर एटा सफर करली. हाउ आई सफर्ड द ब्रेन से हाउ आई suffered, how I faced the accident, how I am now staying in the formal injury, everything, my feelings, only I could explain. So life has a purpose. तेणु ये आमको जो कहुच्छे आम ये बुझा रिस्की ड्राइविंग मस्ट नॉट बी डन, इट शुड बी बैंड. इटा को वी वांट ए सेफ लाइफ. नले एपरी भिकी को खाली जो गोटे एग्जांपल रूप नियाई किंतु सोसाइटी रे भिकी पर केते जण एपरी निज जीवन को माने दे आर falsely sacrificed their life. जीवन किपर गोटे माने एते दिन बंचवा जो लॉन्ग लाइफ जोटा कथा कहूँ विद इन ए शॉर्ट पीरियड इट स्टैंड्स इन वेन इट गो इन वेन. Let us go to stanza 6. Stanza 6. All it took was a stray moment in a young life lost, a family crossed with pain. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be banned. Drive safe. Let your precious life not be in vain. Because all it took was a stray moment in means stupidity. All it took, it was just an act of stupidity on the part of Vicky for a moment. सबुदिन हेलमेट नबाटा गोटे दिन नबाटा इटा गोटे वन टाइप ऑफ स्टुपिडिटी कहुचे. टेकिंग हेलमेट एज एवरीडे एंड फॉरगेटिंग फॉर ए सिंपल ऑर्डिनरी टास्क. किसी हेवी टास्क मध्य नथिला, काम भी नथिला, किसी इंपोर्टेंट काम मध्य नथिला, किसी ऑर्डिनरी मंडेन टास्क नहीं. फॉर ए मंडेन टास्क, फॉर एन ऑर्डिनरी टास्क he forgot to wear the helmet and it lost it. It was the cause of his facing accident. So all it took was a stray moment. Stray means separated moment in an stupidity. Life scattered, separated, got separated. A young life lost. A family crossed in pain. आम लाइफटा आम जी इम्पोर्टेंट नुह आम फैमिली आम सोसाइटी में से इम्पोर्टेंट, गुड वर्ल्ड में से इम्पोर्टेंट. सो दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी केयरफुल व्हाइल लिविंग दिस लाइफ. ए young life lost, a family crossed with pain. A young life was lost, cut short. His family were shocked very much in grief. दुखरे पूरा से भांगी पड़ते because we are not the part and parcel of ours. आम केवल आमर ही part and parcel नुह. We are also the part and parcel of our family and our society also. The society also lost a good citizen or a young life. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be banned. Ban means curse. अभिशाप गोटे सांघातिक गोटे कह मारात्मक कहले चले. बेन मीन फैटाल मीन्स ये मारात्मक को बुझेब. कर्स मीन्स अभिशाप. Okay, dear friends, take care. We should take care about risky driving can be banned. Risky driving can be banned. Drive safe. इटा बही कैप्शन कैपिटल लेटर लिया स्मॉल लिखि देते. ड्राइव सेफ. लेट योर प्रीसियस लाइफ नॉट बी इन वेन. लाइफ इज प्रीसियस, सो वी शुड लीड इट प्रीसियसली. आम आम जीवन को सब आम पाखे थी जीवन व्हाट एवर लाइफ वी हैव, वी शुड थिंक दैट आवर लाइफ इज ऑलवेज प्रीसियस for us, for our family, for the society as well as for your entire world. हमको दिया जाइथिबा जीवन बहुत मूल्यवान. ये जीवन लाइफ हैज ए मीनिंग. सो लेट योर प्रीसियस लाइफ नॉट बी इन वेन. इन वेन मीन्स जोटे किसी माने यूजलेस कहवा जार कोई व्यर्थ असफल जोटा कह मो जीवनटा बंची किंतु ए जीवन कौन मूल्य ना. से प्रकार ये चिंताधारा. Everybody's life has a meaning. Everyone leads a precious life. It should not go in vain. Let your precious life not be in vain. Should मन रखिले कौन आम it was just an act of stupidity. What was just an act of stupidity? That accident, facing the accident. not taking the helmet for a single time, not taking his helmet for a single time. That was one of the stupidity for Vicky's moment. That was a bad period. A young life was lost. Who were in grief? His family members were shocked, very much in grief. And pointing to the riders, riders means je ride karanti chalanti chalako. Pointing to the riders, taking his example, Vicky's example, it is your appeal, दाबी करा जाउछि, अर्ज करा जाउछि, इठे डिमांड करा जाउछि क्यों मानक पे जो मानकर जीवनटा प्रीशियस, those who are caring, who are having the precious life, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ appeal କରା ଯାଉଛି not to take terrible or fast driving, terrible and fast driving, because carelessness and fast driving can bring a lots of misery, बहुत किछि नष्ट करिथाय. Our life is always precious, it should not go useless or uselessly, it should not go uselessly. So आमे इठो में मन रखले कोन, Vicky is a fictional character. There was no man called Vicky in this poem. এটা কাল্পনিক হিসাবে নেওয়া যাচ্ছে. কেবল ଯେଉଁମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଟା risk driving କରନ୍ତି, those who are the part and parcel of a risk driving, those who are not thinking that their life is precious, those who are enjoying everything in a falsehood for themselves, for them. The poem was dedicated by the poet, and the poetic feelings were only to provide a signal, only to provide a deep, a meaningful suggestion about the life and safety driving. So what we learn? We should drive safely. Thank you.